All those serious updates from and all those serious news and updates. Lots of games I'll be sharing it and yes, lots of news I'll be sharing that in the end. So that's it. Have a wonderful day. Take care. And yes, there are plenty of games. La Liga, EPL. There in the end, City, Arsenal game today, and Chelsea they will be playing tomorrow. There in the end. So that's it. And yes, give your thoughts, your opinions there in the end. A wonderful day. Take care.